In today's video, we're diving into a simple but powerful CSS property, font style. This property controls the slant of your text, adding emphasis or a stylistic touch to your content. The font style property has three main values. The first is normal, which displays text in its default form, ideal for standard content. Next is italic, which tilts the text to the right for emphasis, often used for book titles or quotes. And finally, oblique, which is similar to italic but with a slightly different slant, offering a more subtle stylistic effect. Let's see these in action. Mastering font style helps you control the mood of your text. Experiment with these styles in your designs to enhance readability and aesthetics. See you in the next video.